Load your family into the 2014 Jeep Patriot. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.